Mara's Kitchen with me, Chef Mara, where we make the simplest and delicious meals for you and your family. So guys, thank you so much for over 800 subscribers. Hey, I'm so happy that you're part of this great big family. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the family where we make simple and delicious meals for you and your family. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare some village food, village vegetables. In Kenya here we call them Kienyeji, and the type of Kienyeji vegetables I'll be making is Managu, and I'll be mixing that with Terere. So the reason why I'm mixing the two is because Managu on its own is usually bitter. So I'm going to be mixing it with some Terere to make the Managu taste a bit palatable for the children. Comment down below how you call this in your mother tongue. So for Managu, we call it Isuga. And for Terere, we call it Edodo. How do you call it in your local dialect? Comment down below. We have two kinds of Managus. Those with small leaves and those with bigger leaves. Same, but the size of the leaves are different. Those with smaller leaves tend to be a bit bitter than those with bigger leaves. So that's why I'm mixing the two. All this went for $1, assuming that the dollar is rating at 100 Kenyan shillings. So I bought this at 100 Kenyan shillings, basically $1. And for the Terere, I bought this at $50, 50 shillings. Again, with the assumption that the dollar is rating at 100 bob. So as you can see, they're usually tied either with sack or with the banana skin. Is it called a banana skin? Let me know. I don't know. How is it called? So this one has been tied with like sacks, ropes from sacks. How do you call these things, by the way? Please comment down below. So we basically just untie, and what we want to do is pick a stem like that, and you want to remove the leaves only, just the leaves, making sure you remove all leaves, both small and big. You don't want to waste that. A good cook never wastes any ingredients. Yeah, like that. Simple. So this is what you're left with. You throw this, and this can be good manure. So maybe throw it in a shamba or a dustbin. No. So we'll just put that aside. Trick. If you find this at the end, there are usually those leaves that tend to come together. You can basically just pluck them off at once. Yeah, simple. So we're going just to repeat that whole process until we're done. So see you when we're done. Sometimes it takes a whole village to prepare these vegetables. But we are done. pat the vegetables like this to make sure the sand goes down. Once you're done washing your veggies, we're going to blanch them. See? That is why it is important to pat the vegetables as you clean it. You make sure the sand goes to stick at the bottom. We're done. We have washed our Kienyeji vegetables, so now it's time to blanch them. So what we're going to do is boil some water and then dip them into the hot water for a few minutes. This will ensure the vegetables maintain their green color and they will not turn as you continue to cook. It's very simple to make these vegetables at home. Don't shy away from them. And they're very, very nutritious. So after a few minutes, 5 or so, just turn your vegetables. See how green they've become? That's what we're looking for. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. So green. It's even greener than how it was when it was raw. And that's it. Very simple. That's how I prepare my Kienyeji vegetable. So at this point, the vegetables are ready to be cooked. Kindly stick around because in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to cook the Kienyeji vegetables, wait for it, in peanut sauce. Yes guys, we'll be making Kienyeji vegetables in peanut sauce. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Meanwhile, subscribe, turn on the notification, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios amigos!